Hello, my name is Hitesh Kumar Kayat and my student ID is 303666900. Today I am going to attempt hurdle task for master project which is on business process automation. So basically I work in a team and we are five members in the team, and each member of my group have different role, and I work as a worker in this project, and I perform all the tasks which are given by my team leader in this project. And we did storyboard, roadmap, and sprints in various weeks, and we also did demonstration of the product of the project. And the final product of our project is detailed evaluation report that will include all the aspects of the business process automation tools given in the market. The two main tools which we use in this project are Bizagi and UiPath, and the both tools have drag and drop functionality. So here is some learning outcomes. Consider the approach of AI. I have been able to understand that it was one of the effective platform to work. Not only this, I have been involved with the different business approaches that are set by the performance by humans. The development testing higher visibility is to control and handle the process development with showing the room of control in software. Hence, the actions are defined through the dashboard of the tool where the schedule are for the boards and the queue. I have been able to understand that there is building of the scripts to understand the performance for the repetitive task than the writing of the codes. With this, there is a use of Blue Prism which come through the building of scripts for the repetitive task rather than the writing of codes. Hence, the best application for the Blue Prism with understand about the ability to handle the creation of different shade tool. The functionality for the Blue Prism include the AI and cognitive feature built, hence machine learning and AI involved in different distributive technologies skills. The ACS book has been effective for the assessment where the ethical and the professional expectation are about the data and information management. There is a need to understand that the IS development and acquisition is based on the IT governance and organizational issue as well. The approach for the Blue Prism has been about the necessary factor where there are different insights about the community to handle the possible root causes. There are data scraping factors which are efficient to implement and then handle email as well. AA is for the cloning of the object with the recorder to work on functionality. The usage and performance is defined for the report approaches for control room, where automation is for enterprise with RPA on the invite on the intuitive interface that comes with the user and board developers. The process design of automation is script based, where the complete control is on approaches that are, are point blank. The process is defined through the reliability and Blue Prism, which has a higher rate of reliability. And I need to understand pricing automation, which has comparatively higher cost rates for the deployment. I also check that the service provider and the certification include documentation which is not on the platform for open forms. The business process tend to touch the system which run on the virtual environment. There is an AI and cognitive approach for the logging into SAP and then validating the templates as well. There is office automation with the combined attendant robots or the intelligent chatbots.